How to check if your Android has been hacked and how to remove hacks. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if you suspect your Android device has been hacked, the signs your Android might be hacked are suppose unusual battery drain. Your phone's battery depletes faster than normal. Also, the device lags, crashes, or runs apps you didn't open. Sometimes unexpected apps also appears on your device. On your home screen, those applications that are unfamiliar might appear. That means it is a signal of your Android being hacked. Also, unexplained increase in data uses or outgoing calls or texts to unknown numbers also happens if your Android is hacked. So in order to remove this kind of hacks from your Android, what you can do is you can simply go to settings and then you need to look for apps. Scroll down, select apps, and you have to select app management. And here you need to look the application that you find unusual and suspicious. You can simply open it and then uninstall them. Also, you can change your passwords for important accounts, especially if you notice suspicious activity. The other step you can follow is simply factory reset your device. Come back and you need to simply use the search bar at top of the screen and you need to type in reset. Then you will get all the reset options. So you can easily tap on erase all data and tap erase all data and factory reset your device. Further, you can clear the cache and data as well going to the same settings options and then you can scroll towards the about device and select storage. And here you can easily tap on clean up and clear the cache and data. So, the prevention tips that you can follow is simply you need to install apps only from trusted sources, example Google Play Store. You need to make sure you keep your software updated and avoid public Wi-Fi or use a VPN. So, these are the simple steps that you can use to remove hacks from your device. Hope this video worked. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.